everyone. My name is Joy Kwan. I'm from Seneca Polytechnic. It's great to be here in Thailand, in Bangkok City, and thanks to Pacific Premier to organize this wonderful event. Um, I'm very excited to introduce you to Seneca Polytechnic and what we offer. Before we begin, I would like to recognize our wonderful, successful Thai alumni and share their stories. Yeah. Oh, sorry. So Nisi, who studied at Seneca's English Language Institute and completed 2 graduate certificate programs, and now she's working at the Eco Vedis as a sustainability analyst. And Kofari, who's just graduated from building science, building systems engineer technician program, and currently working as a building systems operator at the Colliers. Kwan, who actually just had a graduation ceremony today, who just graduated from EC program, working as a registered EC at the YMCA GTA. And Jada, who graduated from interactive media design and working as a graphic designer at the Opulence Global Company. Lastly, this student is currently studying at Seneca during the last semester. Atita, she's currently studying behavior science and working as a student support group ambassador at the counseling office. So I'm so happy that our Thai students are doing really well on campus as well as in Canada. So about Seneca Polytechnic. Seneca Polytechnic has over 44,000 full-time students. Yeah. Oh, okay. Okay. I will be just standing here. Is it okay? Okay, so Seneca Polytechnic has 44,000 full-time students and 23,000 international students. We offer over 300 full-time programs along with the 25 degrees, 54 graduate certificate, 27 advanced diploma, and 68 diploma programs. We have over 1,000 industry partnerships and ranks #1 among Ontario College for pathways. So Seneca Polytechnic has 4 main campuses. So depending on the programs that you choose, you'll be studying at the different campuses. Seneca Polytechnic has a Peterborough campus, which offer aviation technology programs. So if you want to become a pilot, you can apply to aviation program at Seneca. King Campus offers a health-related programs such as nursing, veterinary technician, social service worker, and early child education program. Seneca York Campus, which is located at York University, offers communication arts related programs, including animation, graphic design, interactive media, as well as the broadcasting program. Newnan Campus is one of the popular among our international students and also the largest among these campuses. Newnan Campus offers a various majority of our business program, technology, engineering, fire protection, fashion design programs. So we offer many diverse programs. As you can see, this is the map showing the how close our campuses are to each other. So you can take our inner campus shuttle bus within the campuses. So we have divided by our programs into 13 areas of studies, from aviation to business, creative arts, education, engineering, fashion, esthetician, health and wellness, hospitality, IT, law, liberal arts, university transfer program, media communication, and science. So you have an option to choose undergraduate studies or graduate studies program. Soon we will have our own master's degree program in AI, so stay tuned. So these are the 4-year degree programs that you can choose from. And majority of our degree programs have a mandatory co-op programs, co-op work term embedded in the programs. And these are the 3-year advanced diploma programs. And these are the 2-year diploma programs. So many of our programs have an either paid co-op work term or externship, internship, and field placement where you can gain work experience or experiential learning experience prior to your graduation. So we want to make sure that our students have real world experience prior to their graduate and ready for your workforce. Uh, Seneca Polytechnic continued to develop the new programs to align with the industry demands. So we just developed a new 3-year degree programs in computer science, cosmetic science, and business administration. We have many other new programs that are degree programs and graduate certificate and diploma programs. Seneca Polytechnic offers some flexible learning format, which includes in-person, online, hybrid, and flexible. However, our international students must take a 50%, over 50% of in-person, hybrid, flexible to meet our PGWP requirements. Seneca is a leader in academic pathways. We have a great pathway partnership with the university within Canada as well as within Seneca as well. So those of you who are interested in transferring University of Toronto, we have a pathway program. So you can take a 2-year arts and science university transfer or liberal arts transfer program to transfer to York University, University of Toronto, or Trent University. So these are the major programs that you can transfer to U of T. So which programs are eligible for PGWP? We have many programs that are available for PGWP where you can find it on our website. So these are all the programs that are available and meet the PGWP requirements. So Seneca offers the scholarship and awards for our international students. So if you're starting your programs up to January 2026, you can get entrance scholarship up to $5,000. And we're also currently waiving the application fee, so you can take this advantage of highlights and scholarship opportunities. And there are a lot of other awards and scholarships that are available to our international students. So you can apply while you're studying a full-time program, and there are many options that you can choose from. And we have a great service that are available to our international students and all students. Seneca Works helps our students with the resume and cover letters, reviews, and access to job postings and career fairs. So we have a great service that help our students for their employment or co-placement or their interview skills so that they are ready for job placement. Seneca Life at Seneca, we have a student service and a Seneca Student Federation, SSF. They organize various activities and events that are that our students can join and enjoy the campus life. So we encourage our students to get involved on all the activities and events that are hosted by on campus. And great campus life. You can have a great network and meet the new people or make friends from other countries as well. We have on-campus housing available for all students. The on-campus housing is located at both two campuses, at Newnham campus as well as King campus. So you will have a private room, but you will have a shared kitchen and a washroom. So it's very convenient. Internet, cable all included, telephone all included. So it's a very convenient, safe, and it's right on campus, so easy access to our facility as well. So let's take a look at the admission requirements. Students must meet the English proficiency requirements, English proficiency and academic requirements to get into the program. So depending on the programs, you will have to submit the English proficiency score in various in TOEFL, IELTS, and Duolingo, as well as the high school diploma or high school university degree, depending on the programs that you choose from. So you can take a look at all the requirement detail information about your admission requirements on our website. If your score is a little bit lower or if you want to improve your English skills, you can also come to Seneca's English Language Institute to improve your English skills or to meet the English proficiency requirements. For those of you who have a high degree and relevant work experience, then you can also look into our graduate certificate program. You can apply for a bundled graduate certificate so that you can obtain 2-year study permit as well as eligible for up to 3-year work permit.